Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's connect these radios to the PC and try to program the radios. I have two PMR radios, Hiroyasu A446 mini model. It works on PMR bands. Probably using the data cable we can program to FRS or GMRS or just ham radio frequencies. Let's try. Let's connect the data cable to this USB Type-C port. Turn on the radio.
Power on.
Let's connect the radio and select COM port 5. Read from the radio. Success. These 16 channels for PMR band. You can change the frequency, CTC, DCS codes, power, low, high, bandwidth, scan, busy lock, scrambler, crypt and code, battery safe, voice English or Chinese, SQL minimum. Right back to the radio. You can program the frequencies. Let's check device info from 400 to 480 MHz. Let's program ham band radios frequency 433.125. For example, 433.5 and right here 33.5 and right back to the radio.
Power on.
Okay. Let's test the radio. Testing audio 433.125 frequency ham radio band. Audio test, all works pretty good. Just set CTC SS codes. Test, audio. Test, audio test.